Technicalities: create the attention grabbing thumbnails, utilize YouTube analytics, use good quality camera, lighting, sound, and the secret sauce which we have found that is relevant. First is have mix content. Algo is content hungry. Third is employ your own idea. Fourth is be in a community of learners, doers. Fifth, have a mindset of investment. Technicalities: create the attention grabbing thumbnails. Okay, we'll give you the PDF, don't worry. So follow the trend which I've already told you about the thumbnails, right? Utilize YouTube analytics. This is another topic which will require certain amount of time, but this is advanced topic. If you are a diamond member, if you already a diamond member, go to the YouTube modules and you will find the analytics wala part. Use good quality camera, lighting, sound. Again, this is optional thing. If you are aggressive, you can invest in a good quality camera, lighting, camera right now. If you are not very aggressive, you just want to start, use your mobile is fantastic device right now. They have a very good camera. Just have a wireless mic, okay, and start creating content. Okay, don't worry about that. And the secret sauce which we have found that is relevant. So first is have mixed content. As I told you, fun, educational, and inspirational. Have a mixed content in the same ratio. When I say you need a fun content, it doesn't need to be your own comedy script. If you can do a skit, a small skit once in a while, it will be fantastic. Okay, but if you are not doing it, it's okay. Next element of secret sauce is algo is content hungry, as I told you, right? So post as many as possible. जितना आप कंटेंट डालोगे उतना अच्छा. Third is employ. We got success because your own idea, okay, your own dedicated resource. Now, right now we have almost 3 people who are employed for making the content, editing it, and putting on the YouTube. So we are investing that heavily to get this result. So you have to employ your own dedicated resource. To an extent, you can do it by yourself, but then you require somebody else to take care of all the things because you are focused on your clinical work. Fourth is be in a community of learners or achievers who are doers, so that you are always motivated. Okay, a consistent motivation is required. Otherwise, आपको सब चीजें खत्म हो जाएगा. Constant motivation is required. We get motivation from you, that we have to show ourselves to you that okay, we have done it, now you can do it. So our motivation is you guys. Fifth and the last important is have a mindset of investment. See, this is an investment for long term. In a 1 year you will see magic. 1 year में आपको magic दिखने लगेगा. Just have an investment, have a mindset of investment that I have to invest and for a longer term. This is my brand building and this will stay with me for lifetime. For a lifetime, this much investment is nothing, and in one deal, maybe 10 new customers coming to you, it will return all the money that you have invested. All right. So this is important that you follow these things and you will see the result.